YouTube? That RT Tow and Go today, my boy. And that motherfucker, man. So what's the word, man? I ain't tapped in with y'all in a minute, man. It's been about 2 months, man. I've been out the way. Been trying to work, and I just got a new apartment and shit, man. So, nigga really been trying to handle his business for real. Yeah, man. So, just came back to give y'all a little POV drive, man. I'm on the way to do some business. So, fortunately, kind of make it a little difficult for me to do it because it's snowing and shit out here, but yeah. Quiet for a second. Man, one thing I like about this 2022 Durango Tow and Go, probably got about 7,000 miles on it. One thing I can say I like about this car, man, is like, it gives you everything a SRT would give, but it's not a SRT, and it got that kick to it, and it sound like, it sound like it's going fast. It's not really too fast, man, but I kind of like it like that. I like it not being too fast. And like I said, I still got a video coming with an SRT Durango. But, man, with this truck, man, it just made me just like Durangos more. It made me realize that I don't need the full SRT to have fun. Like, just hearing this boy in his glory, just, look, I'm going to show you. Tell me you don't like that. You wouldn't enjoy that every day. Tell me you wouldn't enjoy that every day. But yeah, man, so I'm just kind of enjoying this, but I had it about 4 days now, so I just haven't made any videos about it. I posted a lot of it on Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know, you would have seen it by then. Yep. Almost missed my exit. Quiet though, man. I'm gonna let y'all enjoy this car. What you doing, buddy? Fire. Let me stop playing though, man. I'm wasting gas here. Yeah, man, I missed my goddamn exit. I'm sick about that. Yeah, this boy nice though. It's fully loaded. Got back seat space, houndstooth interior. Got the 10-inch screen, T-shifter. Boy, pretty nice. Memory seats. Shit, it's perfect. Like, for an everyday person, like, who don't need all that power and shit, like, get you a regular GT. But if you want a little sound and a little power and you can still tow 8,500 pounds, get you an RT Tow and Go. Get you an SRT 392, get a Durango Hellcat. I recommend this truck to anybody. It's like a bigger version of a Charger sedan. And, you know, you get the best of all worlds with this bitch, for real. I like it, though. I've been enjoying this. And, like, for the cars that I come across, like, this is kind of a rarity for me. So, I say just enjoy this motherfucker while I got it, you feel me? Everybody that I've come across that has been in this motherfucker say this bitch fire. And I think it's fire as well, so shit, I'm doing something right with my car choices, because that last Challenger I had, that boy was pretty nice too. And yeah, man, I'm just enjoying this boy. So I'll get back to you in a second. Track mode really stiffen this motherfucker up, for real. You feel that shit for sure. But it's designed, like, I honestly, man, like, I'm really considering getting this over the Scat Pack, bro. Like, I can't even lie to y'all. Like, I like this feeling. Like, I'm a tall dude, bro. I'm 6'5", man. And I tell you right now, bro, like, this boy pretty good on space, man. I could fit a whole dresser. I can tie up 2 boxes. I gotta put the phone down. This fucking state police right here. Anyways, yeah, man. I had to put the phone down for a second. The state boys is right here, and we on Southfield, and they ain't going for that shit. So. Know what y'all think, man. Like I said, let me know what y'all want to see, man. Had to let the whole ass state police get off the freeway. But yeah. You know what type of vehicles you want to see, man. Like, I be putting in, you know, it's not really hard to get the vehicles that I like and I enjoy, that I think you would enjoy. But I want to see curiously, like, what you guys want to see, like. I don't know about no Lamborghinis or nothing extravagant, but, you know, I get you something nice, you know what I'm saying? Like a Beam, a 7 Series BMW, a S580 Benz, Range Rovers, Supras, Audis, whatever you want to see, like, just let me know. Like, and if you want me to, I can do a review on it for you, to, you know, specifically to you, so you can know whether it's a smart decision to buy this specific car that you're, you know, looking at. And yeah, like, I can get it. Look like I'm running into traffic up here, man, but it's probably gonna be the end of the review, man. Not the review. It's probably gonna be the end of this POV drive, but I'll probably start it back up soon. But appreciate you guys for watching, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know, you know, what I can improve on these videos, man. But until then, see you next time.